In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint, both on Mac and Windows, whether you're working late at night or simply prefer a darker aesthetic. Dark mode can make your workspace easier on the eyes and more stylish. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. You can find it by searching PowerPoint in the search bar on Windows or using the search field on your Mac. Once open, either start a new presentation or open an existing one. Dark mode will apply to the entire interface. Now, look at the top of your screen and click on File. From the left-hand menu, select Options. This will open the PowerPoint settings window where you can adjust how the app looks and behaves. Under the General tab, scroll until you see the section labeled Office Theme. Click the drop-down menu next to it and you'll see several theme options: colorful, dark gray, black, and white. Choose dark gray or black for the best dark mode experience. After selecting your preferred theme, click OK to apply the changes. And just like that, PowerPoint will switch to a clean and elegant dark interface. Perfect for long work sessions or presentations in low light. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode in PowerPoint on both Windows and Mac. I hope this quick guide helped you customize your workspace for a more comfortable viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.